Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So I'm here with my former WMSU Pol-Sci students, Pol-Sci WMSU students. So this is more of a birthday treat for me. And a reunion as well. So remember in my blog, I mentioned you about Arij. Arij did the editing, right? In their class, I actually started blogging in their class because that's a speech class, right? So today, it's more of a reunion at the same time. Of course, we'll be vlogging the place, Country Chicken, because this is some sort of a memorable place for me because of the food. So I invited my students to also taste whether the food is okay. To be honest also, we have to be honest whether it's tasty or not. Okay, so let me introduce to you my students. First, Arij.
Hello, good afternoon, I'm Arij.
And then, Marian.
Hi,
Neris.
I'm Marian.
And then,
Hello, good afternoon, I'm Syra.
Syra. Right, so let's see. Okay. Sige, kain tayo. Formal, no? Sige, mag-Tagalog na kayo. Pwede naman. Okay. So let me start with the chicken. Start with the chicken, ah. Okay. Whenever I eat here, I usually order chicken. You know why? It's something with the outer portion of the chicken. Of course, crispiness is there, but it's another thing that's crispy, but the inside part, no? And then you mix it with coleslaw, and then with rice, you taste it. So perfectly matched, the coleslaw perfectly matched with the meat. Tender, juicy. Tastiness is different with other chicken. And the crispiness. So. And of course, there's other than the appetizer, the main course, there's a soup that really goes well with the chicken. So for this gathering, we ordered what? Beef caldereta. Okay. So according to my FU students, whenever I do food tasting, I have to show the food. Okay, so let's show the food. Okay, so that's the chicken. Corn soup, and then that's the caldereta. Okay. Alright, that's the problem. Okay. Say something about let's start with the rice, the caldereta. Not yet, no problem. So, yeah, chicken. Do you agree with me? The taste is different with other chicken, right?
Yes, and it's my first time here to dine, and the chicken really matched the garlic rice. It really tastes good, and the skin. There's something in the skin that tastes different from the other cheese.
And then the coleslaw, no? Did you try the coleslaw? Not yet. This one goes with something coleslaw. Mixed with cabbage, carrots, and then with the sauce. I think there's milk. Right? Ano na?
Is it sweet?
Yeah, sweet. Sorry. This one, it goes well with the chicken. And then the soup. Corn soup is sweet, but the sweetness comes from the corn, so it's sweetness. Yeah.
Just to
Syra.
There's no beef in the beef caldereta.
There's no beef? Only that?
I joke.
No, it's okay.
Wala
There's
pa ako
only
na
one.
taste.
Okay. All vegetable.
I'm not a veggie eater.
Okay, so,
Pero tolerable siya pag dito.
so what's the taste of the sauce? Kasi may sauce tayo with the... Do you like caldereta with bagoong?
I haven't tried.
Okay. With
I didn't know
bagoong?
you're supposed to eat it with bagoong.
Tagalog really they eat it with bagoong. What can you say about you ate the beef, right? Not yet? Not yet, sige. Yeah, bro.
The sauce is pretty. What do you call this again?
Coleslaw. Coleslaw. Coleslaw is, I think it's with cabbage. You know.
It's okay. I don't eat. We don't like vegetables.
But now,
But it tastes good.
tastes good, yeah? But only when you are eating it with chicken.
With chicken and rice.
Mm. So, for me, I already tried their taco, okay. Crispiness,
Chicken is really
salsa, yeah, chicken. I think their strength is really chicken.
good. Yeah. It's good.
I think we tried chicken. We fried chicken at home. No? It's really different. Yeah. I think there's a yeah, right, Saira. It's the recipe, no, that they are. Of course, if we be asking them what they put in the recipe, they won't be telling us.
It's a secret.
It's a secret, but it's really in the how they cook it. Diba? Proper cooking, I think it's deep fry.
It's not too salty.
That's also one thing. Because I don't eat salty food. Okay, what I noticed with the caldereta is you really have to add bagoong because in terms of saltiness, there's really
Not much taste.
not much taste. So I think they really want you to taste the bagoong. Do you eat bagoong ba? No? Okay, so let's try lang. Try lang. Let's see if the taste will improve, no? Because as we said, without the bagoong, it's just not that salty, right? Without, it's not tasty. Okay, after... Sige daw, Arich. You rate the consistency of the taste.
With bagoong.
With bagoong.
It tastes much better.
Much better. Because bagoong Tagalog is, kalderetang Tagalog is really like that, no? If the caldereta alone wouldn't really be that tasty. They said kulang yung caldereta pag wala yung bagoong. Right? Where's the oxtail? There's an oxtail. No, let's give it to Ari. Then I'll take all the vegetables. My comment here is the meat, right?
It's beef caldereta, but there's no
Beef.
You can see the beef.
So all...
Gusto mo? Ikaw mag-try na ano.
Okay, try. So at least yun ang pipit natin, no? But you got one. You got at least, no? No, state. So at least ako, I'm a veggie eater, so I ate the vegetable. The meat. Is it tender? Is it tender?
It's okay.
Okay as it's okay. Is it hard? Soft?
It's not hard.
It's not hard. But it's really not that soft also, not tender. So with my FU students, I already started this kind of activity. Since they are HRM students, So they blog, right? So they'll have to choose a restaurant, favorite restaurant, and then they'll have to rate. Most of them chose a restaurant to critique, and then they ate, and then they say something about the food. But most of them say, yummy, delicious, and that's all. In food critic, you need to say something, not only all positive, right? So for now, rating. So it's the chicken, Syra, right? Maybe try the chicken.
Yes, sir. I think it's good, sir, if you mix it with the sauce of the caldereta with the bamboo.
You will taste the completeness of the dish, right?
But chicken also is good, delicious. When I tried mixing it with
The best, no, this one.
it's really good.
But the comment is they need to add more beef.
It goes well with bagong, but without bagong, it's not that tasty. The caldereta. The chicken alone is very delicious.
Oh, we'll end this vlog, so we can eat properly. Bye bye. See you later.